Looking for the best electric garage heaters? We've got you covered with top picks that offer efficient, reliable heating to keep your garage warm and comfortable all year round. Find the perfect option for your space and needs. Let's kick things off with the Comfort Zone 5000 watt ceiling heater. This unit stands out with its fan force design and ceiling mounted setup, making it perfect for garages or warehouses where floor space is at a premium. The robust steel construction ensures it can handle tough environments, while its adjustable louvers and mounting angle deliver targeted heat distribution exactly where you need it. With 17,065 British thermal units of heat output, it's ideal for keeping large spaces warm. The dual-knob thermostat offers easy temperature control, allowing you to quickly adjust the settings for comfort. Plus, safety is a priority with overheat protection, ensuring the heater automatically shuts off if things get too hot. With a price tag under $110, this efficient and durable heater provides excellent value for those in need of reliable warmth in larger spaces. We recently tested the Comfort Zone Electric Portable Utility Space Heater, and it impressed us with its compact design and reliable performance. The 1,500-watt heater provided consistent warmth in smaller spaces like garages and workshops. With an adjustable rotary thermostat, it allowed us to easily dial in the perfect temperature. The fan-only setting was also a nice touch, circulating air without heating, which made it versatile for all seasons. The built-in safety features, including overheat protection and a tip-over switch, gave us peace of mind during operation. The heater's all-metal construction is durable, and its cool touch exterior ensures safety even after hours of use. Priced around $29.98, the Comfort Zone heater offers solid value for anyone in need of an affordable and efficient heating solution. Whether you're tackling projects in a chilly garage or just need to warm up a small room, this heater handles it all with ease. The Dr. Infrared Heater DR238 is an exceptional outdoor heater designed to deliver powerful and efficient warmth. This infrared heater is perfect for spaces like patios, garages, and decks, and offers 3 adjustable heat settings: 900 watts, 1200 watts, and 1500 watts. The DR238 features a durable weatherproof aluminum construction and is IP55 rated, making it suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. It comes with a wall and ceiling mounting bracket for easy installation, and the 120-volt plug-and-go design makes setup a breeze. The high-level mirror aluminum reflector ensures maximum heat efficiency, distributing warmth effectively across your space. With its sleek black finish, this heater blends well into any environment. Priced at around $110, the DR238 offers excellent value for those seeking a reliable and cost-effective solution for extending outdoor living or enhancing indoor comfort during the colder months. The Heatstorm HS6000GC is a powerful little heater that punches above its weight. Sure, it's compact, but with 10,000 to 20,000 BTUs, it heats up large spaces like garages or workshops with ease. We especially like the built-in Wi-Fi, allowing you to control the temperature from your phone. The programmable thermostat is a game-changer too, automatically keeping your space at the perfect temperature. We also appreciate the option to set schedules, so the heater kicks on right before you get there. At around $252, this versatile wall-mounted unit has everything you need in an efficient, easy-to-use heater. The Dr. Infrared Heater DR238 is a top choice for anyone looking to heat both indoor and outdoor spaces efficiently. This carbon infrared heater delivers a solid 1,500 watts of power, perfect for patios, garages, and even open-air restaurants. It uses infrared technology to provide clean, instant heat, so you won't have to deal with the dryness or odor of conventional heating methods. The DR238 offers 3 power settings: 900 watts, 1200 watts, and 1500 watts, giving you flexible control over the warmth you need. We love the convenience of the included wall and ceiling mounting brackets, making installation a breeze. The heater's durable metal housing stands up to the elements, and the sleek black design fits right in with any outdoor setup. At around $110, it's an affordable and reliable option for those seeking effective heating in both residential and commercial settings. Grab this heater for year-round comfort in your outdoor spaces.